Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about a dancing style that I really like, hip hop dance. Hip hop is a modern and energetic dance style. It started in the United States and become popular around the world because of music, culture and creativity. Many young people enjoy the dance because it is fun and expensive. One reason I like hip hop is because it has a lot of movements and energy. The dancers use different body movements, jumps, turns, and footwork. It helps people stay active and improve coordination and rhythm. Another reason we like hip hop is because dancers can show their personality and emotions. Every dancer has a different style, so nobody dances exactly the same. This makes hip hop creativity and unique. Hip hop is also connected with music. Usually, it is danced with rap, pop, or urban music. The beat of the music makes the dance for exciting and entertaining. In addition, dancing hip hop can help reduce stress and increase confidence. When people dance, they feel happier and more relaxed. It is also a good way to make friends and work in teams during choreographies. Some famous hip hop dancers and groups inspiring many people on social media and television because of that hip hop growing every year. In conclusion, hip hop is my favorite dancing style because it has energetic, creativity, and entertaining, and helps people express themselves. I think dancing is an excellent activity for both physical and emotionally health. Thank you for listening.